of squish my hand, just nice and easy, activate this muscle. So like, take a break. So right now you're trying to pull yourself down into my hand.
Yeah.
I just want you to try to push a little bit. So I'm just going to give you a little bit of,
Like that?
yep, and then relax. Good. Good. Only other thing, you're still trying to pull. So
Yeah.
push into my hand. It's okay. It's really not going to be easy. I'll tell you what. Let's switch this up a little. Okay, so today is visit number 1 for Dr. Ashley. She is post ACL reconstruction with a hamstring allograft. So we're basically going to do a little journey of Ashley's recovery through physical therapy and natural medicine. So we're going to do a little bit of overpressures today, just into extension. We really want to get her knee working straight as fast as possible. We went over all of her precautions post-surgery. We looked at a lot of her incisions looking good. Bruising is looking great. So now we're just going to do a little bit of overpressure. And what we're doing through this is just adding a little bit of pressure through the knee, and then she tells me when to stop. So you just tell me when. There. And it gets a little bit uncomfortable. And you're having a little bit of trouble with that right now, but you're doing all your exercises at home. Just tell me if anything's too uncomfortable.
I will.
So this is just the first day on the big journey. You know, it's going to be months of recovery, but you know, we'll check back in kind of throughout her recovery phases. I'm sure that we can do some peptides maybe with Ashley, but I'll let her explain that a little bit later. So that's all I got. You can see all that bruising.
I think right there.
Okay. Yeah. Where do you feel when you get there?
Here.
Top of the knee.
Yeah, top
Good.
of the knee.
That's where we want. We want that quad tendon. We want that top of the knee uncomfortable pain. Not uncomfortable, it's tightness.
Yep, there.
We are probably going to measure today just because it's fun to measure on day 1.
Okay.
But your measurement's going to be really bad.
Oh, great.
It's okay. It's all part of it. Do you have crutches?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. We talk about your crutch use too. I know you hate it.
Yes, I do. They're a liability. I'll trip. I'll fall.
They're not a liability. They're helping you. And the biggest thing right now is that we don't mess this up. Okay, we're just going to kind of hold that a little bit. It might be like 70 degrees right now, so that's okay. It's the other side while you squeeze this side. Yep. Kind of do both at the same time.
Okay.
Yep. Just do like 5 long. Good.